you soon. See you around. Thank you. Hey, Carter. Hey, my love, my future. What's up, girl? Yeah, it's a Valentine's Day, girl. Being far from you on this day has been a harder thing this year. Well, I want to let you know that not even the distance can change how I feel about you. I love you, my one and only wife. And I'm here to wish you a beautiful Valentine's Day.
I am speechless. Producer, it's okay that what you in a bear bound. Okay, but what? Okay. Oh, you people. Really? Yes. Okay. It's okay.
Byebaganye byebyo
Okay.
kewuteeka sente
Sorry. Okay. You. I don't want to run my makeup. I don't. I don't. Blush you are so good. Blush. You are the worst friend I've ever had. The worst friend. Blush. Really? How can you do this to me? When did you start waking up this early? Okay. From 15. It says you're the one and only wife. His love, his everything, and you'll always be the one. Oh. Oh my
natambula
God.
akafirimu
It's a beautiful. I am speechless. Oh my God. You people, I am speechless. I have my husband. Thank you. Thank you.
Day. See you soon. See you around. Thank you.
Thank you, babe. Thank you.
Hey, Carter. Hey, my love, my future. What's up, girl? Yeah, it's a Valentine's Day, girl. Being far from you on this day has been a harder thing this year.
Happy Valentine. I love you so much. I am just speechless. I don't know what to say, but
omwana ono
thank
banna
you for loving me. It's only me that can understand how much you love me, and that's enough. Me knowing that you love me is enough. Okay, you've really surprised me. I didn't see this coming because, like I told you, I didn't want whatever you wanted to do for me. I told you I didn't want, but I didn't think you would go this far to do this. I was telling Tracy, we get to Saxophonist and then we get flowers and we come and then you tell me that you bought me flowers. Now this is my name too. You had something bigger. Cocktail, thank you. Thank you, my love. Just like you call me your future, your life, I appreciate. Thank you. Thank you for making me feel like I am the one. I don't think I would ever have a better husband than you. I don't. enough for me. I know the distance. I know, but just not even the distance can't stop me from loving you. I love you so dearly. I love you. You're not my boyfriend. You're not my fiancé. You are my husband, and we are in this together. Good, bad, we're in this together. I promise to stick with you till the string is off. As long as it's on the committee. I love you. The video, the gifts, I love you. You just made my Valentine very special. Thank you. Guys, bye. But I give us very beautiful flowers, you people, those that want to give us flowers. Send me a message and tell me what I should say now. Kali, nkomyewo ku mulamwa abakuba amasimu nalozeeko omwo omanyi nabagaine na lisiti so ku lisiti eyo olunaku olwalwaleero tugenda kutegeera lisiti ani eyaliddemu akeedo ngenda mwagaliza Valentine ennungi mu maaso awo bidde kyokka nfunye n'ensonyi kale kampumule mukakasiri nnyo. These I am begging you, in the name of God, in the name of the Almighty, please don't let this world laugh at me. This world has laughed at me enough. Give me flowers. Hey, otherwise I will buy myself flowers in the evening. When I was sour coming to me, be sure that I am going to buy myself flowers. But anyway, putting that aside, hello. Good morning. How are you doing?